previous class we talk about and I share how to write F today, and in today's class I'll share with you how to write K2O. So there is a very important letters for today's because I think KLMNO is a very significant letters for definitely all the letters is significant, but KLMN are related to others letters. So I think when you learn how to write these types of letters, it's easy to learn because it's related to others letters. So I think this class will be very interesting. So can I start? And please confirm me my sounds is clear or not, or if this screen is clear. So
Yes, sir,
how
everything is clear, sir. You can start.
okay, thank you. So today's first letter is K. So first I write K, then I share with you how to write K and with techniques. This is capital letter, so definitely you have to follow the uppercase angles. So this is the K, capital letters K. So now you have to write straight line first. I've already mentioned in previous class that you have to write all the lines as straight because when you try to write straight, so all the letters will go. So first thing you have to do if you write K, you have to write straight line. Then you have to just connect like this other second parts. This second parts is look like this. Okay. So the two things you have to connect. The first thing you have to connect straight lines. Then you have to connect this second parts. And this second part look like this. So there's some people some mistake with this, though it's not actually wrong, but it's the proper way to write K. Okay, so what's the wrong? This is the wrong letters. So avoid these types of letters. Please try to write. I understand what I'm saying or what I did.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am writing one line so that you
Please
can.
try to write one line. Well, wonderful, wonderful. But I noticed here some letters you made mistakes here. One, two, three, four. The last K is pretty wrong like this because uh,
This is
okay, what I say because you are doing like this, so it's not so well. In the middle part of these lines, you have to connect this first line, then you have to connect this. So it looks good, but you are connect these lines so below here. So I think that's not looks like good. Yes, exactly. This is perfect. This is perfect. Yes, exactly. Awesome. Awesome. You have to connect this third part in the third line. So please connect all the lines in the last line. Well, and you have to also think about this. These
yes, sir.
two sides
I'm,
are same.
as I'm concentrating both on the book and the camera, so I couldn't
Yes,
pull it off.
it's so tough to write if you use camera
Yes,
over your hands. I also use camera over my hands, so it's pretty tough to write.
yes, sir, I appreciate it. Mm.
Okay, I understand, but I think you are understand the process, or you can say structure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
I can improve it in homeworks.
Yes, sure. Okay.